Today's control is ISM-2000, and it's about visibility at the top. It requires your board or executive committee to receive regular updates on the organization's cybersecurity posture and the threat environment it operates in. That means ongoing briefings, not just annual audits or tick-box dashboards. Here's the metaphor. Imagine driving through a storm, but the windscreen wipers are off and the headlights are dim. That's what leadership faces without timely cyber intelligence. I've seen boards caught off guard by major incidents, not because the threats were new, but because no one was keeping them informed. Cyber moves fast. Threat actors evolve daily. If your board is making decisions in the dark, you're taking unnecessary risks at the highest level. So here's your move. Ask yourself, is your board getting briefed monthly? Are those briefings grounded in real threat intelligence? If not, you're missing the mark on ISM 2000.